Hello friends, welcome to MechSearch. Now we are going to see the job notification which was released by SAC Space Application Center. They are looking for the candidates for various posts of scientific engineer, technical assistant and technician B. The candidates who having a diploma, engineering and master in arts degree can apply these jobs. Let's see the vacancy details and required qualifications. For scientific engineer electronics, the vacancies are 2. The qualification is PhD in fields related to electronics, communication, RF and microwaves, power electronics, VLSI design, microelectronics, embedded system or signal processing, or BE BTech in electronics and communication, electronics and electrical engineering, information and communication technology. Scientific engineer P6, master degree in P6 or BSc in science mathematics in first class. It is having a one vacancy. Scientific engineer computer, BE BTech or ME MTech in computer science, computer engineering, computer science engineering, information and communication technology. Scientific engineer electronics, BE or BTech or ME MTech in electronics and communication, electronics and electrical engineering, information and communication technology. Scientific engineer mechanical having 6 vacancies and the required qualification is BE BTech or ME MTech in mechanical engineering with a specialization if you are ME MTech graduate, your specialization in thermal engineering, structural engineering, structural analysis, material science, material technology, CAD, CAE or design engineering, industrial safety engineering. Scientific engineer structural, BE BTech or ME MTech in civil engineering is having a one vacancy. Scientific engineer electrical having one vacancy. The required qualification is BE BTech or ME MTech in electrical engineering. Group B post, technical assistant electronics, vacancies 2, 1 is backlog. Required qualification is diploma in electronics and communication engineering. Technical assistant mechanical, one vacancy and the qualification is diploma in mechanical engineering. Technical assistant civil having one vacancy and the qualification is diploma in civil engineering in first class. Technical assistant electrical, one vacancies, the qualification is diploma in electrical engineering in first class. Then group C post, technician B, 6 vacancies, education qualification is 10th plus ITI in fitter trade. Technician B machinist, 2 vacancies, 1 is backlog. Qualification is 10th plus ITI in machinist trade. Technician B electronics, 7 vacancies, 3 backlog. The qualification is 10th plus mechanic trade, radio and TV or electronics. I provided this notification link in description. You can download this notification and view detailing. Let's see the pay scale. For post code 1, the salary is 67,700 to 2,08,700 based on your experience and performance on interview you may get. Post code 2 to 8, 56,100 to 1,77,500. Post code 9 to 12, 44,900 to 1,42,400. Postcode 13 to 21 rupees 21,700 to 69,100 rupees. The age limit, there is no upper age limit for postcode 1 jobs. Postcode 2 to 8 jobs, the age limit is 18 to 35 years as on April 3, 2020. Postcode 9 to 21 also same age. Next, see the selection procedure. For postcode 1 to 8, based on the application received for this post, they will conduct the interview. If the application is received more, they will conduct the written test first and screening the candidates for interview. Postcode 9 to 21, two levels of recruitment process. One is written test, second one is skill test. Important informations regarding this job post. In this job post, having no fees for any post, you don't have to pay any fees for these jobs while applying. The last date are still not determined by this Space Application Center. The web portal is still opening for the applying the jobs. Due to COVID-19, they will announce the last date for this applying a job online later. Important dates, the website link is open for online registration of application is March 14, 2020. The web portal is not closed yet, you can apply. If you have any technical queries during apply online, contact this number. For general queries, they provide this number. Email address is friends. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe us for motivating us. Thank you.